For the special address, please help me to welcome on rise Dr. Nupun Bahadur, Associate Director, NMCG TERI, Center of Excellence on Water Reuse, TERI. A round of applause for Dr. Nupun Bahadur.
So, good morning, everyone, and thank you, APSC, for having me here. And for the first time, I'm quite relaxed. No presentation, no panel discussion, and the topic is very apt for me because the three words, in fact, four I could say, which very well associate with me directly: water, women, technology, and the public participation. So these are the four words. And very briefly, I would just like to say, because we have women water warriors with us, so I can correlate. And just I want to share a very small thing, like how the public participation, our government, our Prime Minister, he inspires us. How the missions have really motivated, and how as a common person, I was a teacher, a researcher, not thinking beyond publication, just like any professor in the university. So I was into my lab scale research and I was a chemist. Nothing on water, anything on water before 2013 or 14. So when this National Mission for Clean Ganga was launched by the government, I was highly inspired by this mission, and I have thought how as a simple teacher and a researcher, how I can contribute in this national mission. But having no clue of water, because my qualification is in chemistry or nanotechnology. My postdoctorate research is in material science. So, but when there was a will, there came a way. And then I thought how, and then began my journey as a water professional. I visited on ground the ETPs, STPs. I understood the ground problem, why our water is polluted, why our rivers are not cleaning. So the real problems, it took 2 years for me to identify where the technological or the scientific know-how which I have, I could implement on ground for treatment of water. Read a lot, training programs, all this, and the inspiration by the government during that time, since 14, 15, was really my motivation. And then with some efforts on my own, we have to begin journey on our own. We developed some POC, the proof of concept. Some small experiments led to going ahead, and then getting the first motivation through technologies for Make in India. In 2015, I got the first award at the national level to present my concept of the technology, and 2015 was the first landmark, I would say. Then through DST Water Mission, I got the DST Young Scientist that I did, and DST Water Technology Initiative project, I could develop a technology. I joined TERI in 17, and there I got the ecosystem, the support from the government ministries. And again in 2019, I could say, with National Water Mission and the initiatives through the India Water Week, I really want to acknowledge these institutions and departments of the ministry. And in 2019, the whole work was presented in India Water Week, and through National Water Mission and Namami Gange took the technology. And then since 19, the guidance and support which I am having through ministry, and also we got begged the first project to implement technology in a textile cluster in Kanpur. And also, ministry set up the first of its kind Center of Excellence on Water Reuse with TERI. So I'm heading that NMCG TERI Center of Excellence on Water Reuse. We are in the third year of running. And the technology which was selected by Namami Gange program, I'm very glad to share, was implemented and pilot was run. And that pilot, the project, has been selected under top 3 innovations and innovation projects in the International Water Association Project Innovation Award, top 3 innovations in the world. So let us hope next month we have to go there to receive the award. And the most important part of the journey has been the support, guidance, inspiration, not like any funder giving money and then evaluating after 2 years what is the progress. These departments of the ministries, National Water Mission, Namami Gange, they have been constantly with us. suggesting, guiding, giving us locations, funding support, everything is there. So I think there cannot be an opportune moment for the country when we can do the best and whatever we want in the water sector. And to talk about the women empowerment, I think we say there are very less women in the water sector, but I can proudly say that in the Government of India, Ministry of Jal Shakti, we have 3 women leaders, our secretaries, the 2 secretaries, Debashri ma'am, Vinny Mahajan ma'am, Archana Verma ma'am. So who says women's sector has less women? We have the women power in our ministry and we have all the support. So I just want to share. And concluding, I invite all of you, all stakeholders from government, industry, research, academia, whosoever in the Center of Excellence. It's a stakeholder platform where all of us can contribute in our way to work towards the mission of water security and the water secure world. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, ma'am. Such a refreshing session by you. Thank you. Now, can you